Hello and welcome to Vintage Museum. Up here I have, I believe it's from late 80s, early 90s. It's a talking alarm clock. It's by Cobolt Speechmaster. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. I mean, it worked when I first got it. I think it must have fell over, dropped on the floor, and it just doesn't come on. Put brand new batteries in there. In here, I've just noticed that there's a screw in there, so maybe I can get a screwdriver and open it up sometime and try and fix it. But yeah, it takes AA batteries. It's got 4 in there at the moment. The brand new batteries, it doesn't work. It actually talks as well, this clock. It says the time, tells the time. So if you press that, it would go, it's 12 o'clock PM. Anyway, subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos.